Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. The AT4 is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Sierra AT4, power windows, locks, and mirrors. Power mirrors there, you have your AT4 branded door card, memory seating. You do have your automatic 4x4, trailer mode and driving modes, automatic headlights, and heads-up display controls and fog lights, all right there, your heads-up display controls. Leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, cruise control, forward collision warning, and audio controls. Paddle shifters on the reverse side. You have a full digital gauge cluster as well, giving you all the information you need on your Sierra. We have the 13.4-inch large touchscreen running the Google operating system. You do have Google Maps, Google Play Store, as well as Google Assistant, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, both available. We have heated and ventilated seating with push-button ignition, parking sensors, auto stop start as traction control. You have your automatic shift knob, your integrated chiller braking system, all black interior as well, Bose audio, and then our black leather heated and ventilated Sierra seating with the Kalahari inserts and AT4 in the headrest. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Sierra AT4, we have the 20-inch wheel and tire package. We have the black rims with the machine face. On the 20-inch rims, we do have the brand new Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires. We have color matched door handles with keyless entry, AT4 badging, 6.2-liter V8 plaque up front. The AT4 does come with the factory 2-inch lift up front as well, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. Coming down to the front, we do have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. We have the AT4 branded grille, red recovery hooks, and a camera system up front. Making our way back down the side, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab, remote start equipped. At the back of the Sierra, we do have the LED brake lights, GM MultiPro tailgate, as well as our trailer tow package, dual chrome exhaust tips, and rear parking sensors. Jumping into the interior, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and car seat ready. In-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, blacked out headliner with extra headroom, LED lighting, and a single pane sunroof. We do have 3-stage heated seat controls, USB ports. Being a crew cab truck as well, an enormous amount of room in the back of the cab of the Sierra AT4. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra AT4. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.